To learn to steer your vehicle correctly, maintain a firm but not tight grip on the steering wheel at the 9 and 3 o'clock positions with both hands. Look well ahead to anticipate turns. Steer smoothly by only turning the wheel as much as needed, and only remove one hand briefly when changing gears. Always slow down before turning and avoid turning the wheel while the car is stationary. Key points to remember. Place your hands on the steering wheel at the 9 and 3 o'clock positions, ensuring a comfortable grip that allows for good control without being too tight. Always keep both hands on the steering wheel unless absolutely necessary to use a control with one hand. Focus on a point further down the road to anticipate turns and obstacles, allowing for smooth steering adjustments. Turn the steering wheel smoothly and only as much as needed for the turn, avoiding excessive steering inputs. Reduce your speed significantly before initiating a turn to maintain control. Do not turn the steering wheel while the car is stationary to prevent unnecessary stress on the power steering system. Steering mistakes to avoid. One-handed steering. Always use both hands for better control. Gripping from the inside rim. Avoid holding the steering wheel from the inside as it impedes smooth turning. Jerky movements. Steer smoothly to avoid destabilizing the vehicle. Over-reliance on one hand. Use both hands evenly for balance control. Excessive force. Gentle steering avoids unnecessary strain and ensures better responsiveness. Why proper steering matters. Control and stability. Proper technique keeps your car stable and on course. Responsiveness. Smooth steering inputs allow precise adjustments. Tire wear and efficiency. Proper steering prevents uneven tire wear, promoting better fuel efficiency. Safety. Correct steering helps maintain control during emergencies. Comfort. Proper technique reduces strain and fatigue, making long drives more comfortable. To steer a car properly, start by adjusting your steering column and seat for comfort. A comfortable driving position enhances control and reduces fatigue. Practice the recommended techniques and always be mindful of your grip and hand positioning.